guys, the bluegill are dead. I hate to make this video, but I came back to my house one day and the bluegill are dead. Small cheese, and big cheese. This one was so big, I could lip him. Literally, like, I can't do that with most bluegills. Oh, man. So we're filling up this pool, and we're gonna do a whole lot new renovations. I got bigger aerators coming. This right here, we're gonna use as a stand. Put it on the pool, right there, so they can have cover. And we can put the aerators on, and then we're gonna put some weights on it so it can stay down, and it can't come back up. All right.